There's no way you can know, say. Me that interested in one of them slippers, say. And you buy it for yourself. You can't buy things so because you start being inconsistent.
You don't know your body get so big when you even make it again.
Yeah, I be on cap and really attack now. I be vexing me so.
Yeah. Tell the people them what you do.
Gang, I boy Capo there. I'm back with another prank prank Abby. People, Abby the outside right now, trying to make 7 people and do the right. So the thing is, I'm trying to prank her. So one day I go to town and buy some stuff, buy 2 shots, my little brother, and buy myself 2 shots. But I also buy Abby 1 shots, right? I'm gonna buy 2 slippers too. So me I go do, she don't know somebody me guys. So me I go do, I go put on me by myself, and then she wanna say, Abby, what do you think about them here? And I'm not to that, so I'm buying nothing for she. So guys, I want to see how she can react to that. Because I'm going to say, oh, you know I'm nothing, Anyway guys, you hear her voice in the background because she said, I try to make dark people and do. So please smash the like button, comment Team Capo down below, and go subscribe to Abby and Capo JA. Don't forget to go back to Abby's Madness and go subscribe. And also guys, subscribe to Capo's TV and follow up on Instagram down below. Alright, so now, I'm not tired. So guys, I put on the camera right now and just wait for her to come back in the house. So and then put on the clothes and then I walk in and then I say, oh, Abby, what do you think about them clothes there? I see how she go react. I can't talk too loud. But I get the gist. Calm down, Capo. So guys, stay tuned.
Man, they can't sing no. Why we not do the place?
I mean, all I got all of that should run me. What do you want to pants, Abby?
So why you never wipe it up?
Come down. No. What do you want to pants?
Why you get no clothes from?
Buy my turn on the man. Hey, look.
Oh, and the pretty slippers. You could
Nice though.
buy one for me?
Look, nice man. But nice to have some, Abby. Them maybe I done already.
So you could buy one for me?
Buy one, I'm going to say one, I'll be telling you now.
So you know some of them type of somebody? And you buy all for yourself?
Yo, it's the biggest item I've enough. 45.
I mean, I expect nothing for me. But family act inconsiderate, so nothing wrong. There's no way you can know, say. Me that interested in one of them slippers, say. And you buy it for yourself.
Hey, man.
That's how you say.
Come to my shirt.
Yeah.
And the shots, yeah.
Yeah.
7. I think my shots, new shots. We can do some more in the night and day. Yeah, man. Clean 7. I have to some people named Abby, man. I'm Abby's Madness 7. Yo, where you fuck? Hey, yo, back up. Back up, me say. Don't care, boy. Move, man. Backside there, come asking for my clean shots. Look, man.
Stop talking to my dad.
You got to talk to you, come and lick off people's shots.
Stop talking to my dad.
So the shots, that shots?
No, I ask me now. I ask me now.
So we can be just depending on go buy one.
Alright, for me never did
I don't
consider.
know if I like that
For me
color,
never
Abby.
did consider me the first time I know you
You
buy.
have the credit for calling the day, I don't know if I like that color.
For me never consider me the
Yeah,
first
that
time.
color, come live
It's alright, I don't like it. Excuse.
You don't like it? Why not like it, Abby? Oh, the shots are still, I don't know if I like the shots, yeah. We can't buy things for you like that time, because I must say I like put on.
Yeah, you can't be bad things so because you start being inconsiderate.
You don't know your body
That's
get
that.
so big, when even if
That
I can't
is
fit
that.
you again. Champion shots and them things, man. Me I go.
Where you come on? Where you come on, madam?
No, come here, Chris, you like.
Yeah, alright, yeah, go on now.
You like it? You like it? You like it? Don't feel like you like sugar or not?
You might excuse me?
You like sugar or not? You like sugar or not, Abby? You like it?
As myself, you never consider doing things.
Consider your man.
You buy for yourself, you know, so that's some even big and so, but it actually
Feel comfortable
look
for.
alright.
And then
And if I say that I'm buying, I'm going to buy one for myself, I'm going to buy one for you.
Where's going to find my size? Right here, you never find your size. I'm not buying a knockoff come here. Buy something that looks strong. Even when I'm original, but them feel good, man. I said, I don't get much in shot, but I in shot 2 each star. Champion shot, 2 shots. Have you answered me now?
Come on, love me, I want.
Jesus Christ. Those are not good.
You have to find them shots, so you mean I see them shots like
Nah,
most of them know you
I'm
have.
not blue.
Come say one stop for that, come on to my class here.
Yeah, we're going to get on here.
Sebu! So you know you look at youth. And so when the people, the parents start tuning, you know, when they get shame around and then come back, come back. Sebu!
You think what I shot there?
I don't know.
I hear on this though.
You tell them like shots, nothing.
I think.
Put it to an album, so it's size, and then me I believe.
Okay.
So to me, I cut when you feel like say you're going to give me one of them shots, then no.
I'll be me and buy pink shots myself. I tell the truth, I
But
got
you like two shots yourself, right?
no, no pink shots. I'll let up. Oh, when you got another birthday. And I make me that shot too. I never think. I'll be when you could buy pink, I'm going to about to get too big or whatever, you know? When you're about to get too big. You can be that? I'll be. You can be that? Yeah, one person that grows up.
Yes, Sebu. Good girl, get close. What is the lonely man?
Right, I tell you, can't fit, oh, fit you. Do this can not need, you can't work on that?
No, this too tight.
That me I show you, I couldn't even know if you size.
Yeah, you know, no, the bomb from what you.
Yeah, go here, you can't
They
wear
go
that.
say my waist size medium, excuse.
Size medium, what size that then?
I don't know.
Exactly. Clip on the side, clip on the top.
And you supposed to, yeah, buy something for me, you know my size, so you're supposed to know.
33, no, I don't know 33 mark on it. Yeah, again.
This guy take picture in up on the ground.
What? I mean, that's everything I need. We'll take picture on gram. You got a gram picture go?
Right, that's what she. God, yeah, I'm about to say that.
Something them through the man today. We are much of them for. We're twinning now. We're twinning no man. Twinning right now. That big enough, man. I mean, I make it boss, man. Wait, see that there. Look at the card. What day we got out, man? What are they?
Cut it before my drop.
We got out, you said them boys.
How can where this go? How many people gonna away?
Aight, man. What? Because they have good foot, not much bad shoes. Man. That buy about, remember which day? I buy them different day, don't put them down.
It's nice too. Can take picture on the gram.
So your friend now.
Come on, man, a fucking friend. I think so because you buy good things.
So that's how we're gonna live?
So we are gonna live until you change your ways.
Wow.
You think better one man. I think so close.
You don't want a chance?
I don't clothes less.
If you make it, take a
I
bite.
don't slippers less.
Okay, I'm going to take up on me by myself. Because the neck, I'm good over here. I'm quite fan of over here. I'm grateful out. But she don't close. Let's try to take show off. Eh? After she get her Yeezys them. I think I them my Yeezys, you know. Don't know, a shiny one them still, but them pretty far out there. Quick, man. Cha. Nice people watching now. She make a friend now. She come in. I don't know anything going on. One I say she not like them. But I know she love them still. She a pee hear they? She have a piece, you know. Nice, easy she have. Yo, if you don't want them, you bring them back here. You hear me, Mr. Alago? If you don't want them, you carry them back. Your body has to say no behavior. Somebody buy something and you don't even know how to act. First say that them, don't like them. Talk to me. No, talk to me. Mono, talk to me. You don't like them or not?
I like them and everything.
Then what?
But then come and talk about if we are friends again and I say it work. And I say it work, you can't just buy my things I expect say everything go fix. And I say it work.
You never expect nothing to fix still.
So you come and ask me about if we are friends again for.
Oh boy. Alright guys, so me and her vex now still. So I'm gonna try to surprise her. But not to make sure she be friends with me, but
I don't tell you say, I don't tell you
just to cheer her up and thing, you know. Yeah, people. And guys, just tell them you know. So you hold your phone in there so you can buy them from me. You know the price it's him. So post it on Instagram and tell them.
Take picture of this panogram with the shoes there.
What shoes?
Man, you just stop talking to me, I ain't no friends, just stop talking to me. I appreciate the gifts, but this no mean say we're gonna be friends.
So hey, them shoes are cute, you know. Oh my.
Take care man for me, okay? So me look take care man for me.
You look good, man. Alright people, so we do me already. I don't know if you watch my channel, come they post a video, we do a live already recently, this morning. So yeah, we here do from one day and I just get to pick up on camera night. So we look good on camera sometime, you know people. Anyway. Yeah, I be on camera really like that now, I be vexing me so. Yeah.
Tell the people them what you do.
So guys, I take up my clothes now, my shorts and thing, and my shoes. You don't know anything go. I don't know when I go wear this going, you know, cause I'm not too it's comfortable, but I don't know if I go wear it like on the room. I go wear it in the house and thing. You see, I like it though. I really like the color coding and things. So cute and nice. So guys, please to subscribe to the channel. I been normally appreciate everything, so don't make her be bet while I got trigger enough. I show men are vex, isn't me? Men are vex like vex and things. She's enough to talk to her. So I don't know if I try my thing to talk back to her and thing. But please subscribe to the page, people. Please follow up on Instagram down below and check out Abby and Capo JA. Don't forget to subscribe to Abby's Madness, guys, and go over to Capo's TV and go subscribe. Yeah, so I said before, me and her still not 100. Probably there 20 now to 100. And I'm gonna look some food eating now and thing. Yeah, so see you guys in the next video. So Team Capo is out!